What's up, YouTube? What's up, family? What's up, guys? Okay, so I was supposed to vlog the whole me making the fried deviled eggs. I didn't get a chance to do that. It was hectic. My kitchen was a mess. It was so bad. But I made fried deviled eggs. We got invited to a bonfire party. So we're currently at the gas station. So we're about to go to the bonfire party. And hopefully I'll vlog there. Actually, I will vlog there. If she says I can vlog there, then I'll vlog there. But we're on our way there. The seatbelt's choking me. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. But yeah, do you guys like my hair? I did my hair. Everything took so long. I had to make the fried deviled eggs. If you guys want to know my recipe for fried deviled eggs, please thumbs this video up. Give me a subscribe. Click your notifications to all so that you know when I drop a video, because when I do, you know that they bomb. Just kidding. I got my nails done too. I did red. So, oh my god. Oh, that's a shadow. But okay. Yeah. So as soon as we get there, we'll see what the party's looking like. I'm gonna let them do a taste test. Hopefully, if I can get everybody to see how my fried devil eggs are. I know they're bomb. I make them for everybody's party. Anybody that invites me to a party, I'm bringing fried deviled eggs, or I'm bringing something. I don't never come empty-handed. So yeah, girl did all that. I'm hella extreme with it. I was so extreme with the baby hairs. But anyways, love you guys. See you when we get there.
I was wondering where you was, bro. You about to get beat up. I said I was wondering. I love that. Hey, right back. She like what I like. She like what I like. I'm like readjusting real quick. I feel ya. You feel me? How are you?
They were supposed to tell you that new girl. The one that just got back from maternity leave. Yeah.
Oh, that's not the right way. Girl
because the guests are important. Right. I'm just like, guests are important to me if they say they want that person to get the money.
Hi. Golden locks. We're gonna call you Golden Locks.
Right?
Oh my God, you're a guy. You need to find the fucking hole.
See that?
She's getting behind both of us here.
Men need to find the hole.
That was a weird moment for me to just tune in.
Well, you are a man,
Men
right?
need to find the hole.
What?
If a man cannot find a hole, then that's kind of.
Oh, is that it?
Look, he found the hole.
Listen, I
I'll
saw 2 holes. I saw 2 holes.
I think you might have issues on
The only hole I need to find is where the piston goes. Okay?
I don't even want to.
Slap that motherfucker.
Oh, that's vicious.
Right?
Not
The
one.
only hole I care
Listen,
to find is where
guys.
the piston goes.
Listen,
in the
guys.
engine.
If
That's
you're a
it.
male, you need to make sure you can find the hole. If you can't find a hole, then you need to practice.
Hey, it's not just the hole.
You need a lot of practice.
Take that.
And somebody with experience.
If you don't find it, you gotta dig for it.
I know it would be big like this. You gotta dig for that shot.
No, she's an asshole. Nobody's an asshole.
No, she would be in my face like that.
That was a
No, you have to give me a kiss.
What's up, guys?
Hey, bro, I'm
He's like,
Where's my other earring?
I don't know. Did you lose it?
Yeah.
It's like a very tight situation.
hey, are we doing shots?
I lost the earring.
You lost it. Oh, you lost the earring. No, that's serious.
That's unfortunate.
No, I saw you with 2 earrings.
Yeah. I'm about to put this one in. That's fine. And that I can cover it.
You lost like a real earring or like a so-so earring? Because I'd be upset if you lost like a real earring.
You know what? After you just said that, I just found both of my earrings. I don't.
Oh, and she found
Oh
her
my
earring.
God, you are so lucky. You're
She found it? You
You found it?
Oh, it was in her ear the whole time?
It was in your shirt right here.
I have both the same earrings in one ear.
Oh my God!
I was wondering why it was so heavy.
Not the double
Because if you lose like a so-so earring, then
One
we
day
go.
she came.
If you lose like a real earring,
One
then
night
that's a
she
big
came
deal.
to my job and she had her pants backwards. And
Yep.
she was like, she didn't know her pants were backwards.
Swear to God.
She was trying to put her hands in her pocket.
Yes.
That's a true
She
degenerate.
is the funniest fucker
Yeah.
I've ever met at my job. I love her.
Kid,
I
that's
love
a
you.
real degenerate.
I love you
you
because
too.
you make,
One of these days you'll be
you
on the
make
same
my
level
job
as her.
exciting. Like, I love having you there.
Give it 5 years, you'll be on the same level.
The other day we were talking about BPs.
What?
Yeah, we're not gonna get it. Oh, if we get it,
I don't know. I don't know.
if we get into that right now, it's gonna be
He
over.
knows what we're talking about. We're in trouble.
No.
I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I just wanted to tell you.
I saw them put this on it, so it's fine with
He still doesn't know what it. He still doesn't know what it. No, Daniel doesn't know what a BP is.
We're talking about BPs. So it's trouble.
tomorrow again too, so.
It was really
Great night.
Hey,
Great night. Thugging it out. Thugging it out. Great night. With all my friends.
we need to do a shot tomorrow. No, just one shot.
I don't know.
I don't know if I can hear you.
You're supposed to fly. I don't have nothing to say right now. I'm just saying I'm a great night. It's beautiful. My wife, my friends here, new friends, old friends, all that. Great night. It's a vibe. We will. I always make you. No, come here.
She always makes me laugh. Even
No,
like,
you
it's
make me
work,
laugh,
I'm
but
tired.
I just finish it all.
But you know what? You're special because you know what? Like I come into work, I'm fucking tired. You know, like I could have had like maybe 1 hour of sleep, and then I see you there, and you just like brighten up my night. It's like you're funny, and you always talk about something different. There's always something.
Girl, we only live once. We might still talk
You
about
only
everything.
live- YOLO.
Like, fuck it. YOLO.
Hey, you know what? When you're sleeping, all you're doing is wasting your life.
Don't say that. I love to sleep. I love to sleep. I love to sleep, and when I'm up, I'm just funny and goofy, and then I go back to sleep. Like
But you know
that's like
what?
the story
You're
of my
great.
life.
We just love having you there.
She's like a little tea, like with a little tea kettle. Like she's so, and like, hey, we're gonna get all steamed up, and then I gotta go. I'll be back, and then we're gonna get steamed up.
Yeah. I don't know, but she makes me laugh. I love
Aw,
our
thank you, Kat.
conversation.
No, you do too.
No, I love
You do too.
No, you're so
You're a
much
vibe.
better. I'm not that
No,
good.
you do
It's bad
too.
when you're the same one in our relationship.
No, can't play with you.
Said it's bad when you're the same one in our relationship.
Right now, I'm talking about my friendship with Anna. Fucking funny as fuck. You have to hear her when it comes to work. Like, seriously, like, I can have the
No,
worst
I
night in the
think it's
world.
just like say
Maybe
random.
maintenance came in to like fix something. in
I
the
say
apartment.
random-
They
I
kept
say
me up
random.
all day and all night.
I really have to tame myself. I think I have to tame myself. I think I say like random shit, like
But
when
you know
I'm
what,
not
it's always
specifying
I'm
anything.
not sure that's really mentally healthy, but
Who cares? Like, you know what? She makes
when
somebody
you're
else.
your own best
Maybe
friend,
it's not.
when
When
you're
she
your own
makes-
best friend,
No, she's not.
man,
She's like my best friend.
I'm
like,
just giving her a hard
no, I
time.
tell
She's
you, you know what,
laughing,
bro?
Kat,
Like-
look at her, she's laughing. I'm just giving her a hard time. She
I love you,
understands
Kat. You're awesome sauce. It is. It's a vibe.
I love you.
I love you too.
Because I come into work and she has me. But when you're there, you have something different.
Pedro has something.
Random. It's random. Always
I
random.
swear.
Always something different. But
I'm like
she
known
always
for.
has something for me. Always something. And I'm like,
I love it.
I crack the
You're
fuck up.
awesome.
No, you're awesome.
No, you're awesome.
You're awesome. I deserve the drink.
I mean, really. It's not that
You
easy.
do everything else. I just serve the drinks because I love the conversation. And I'm honest, like, seriously.
You are.
Bartender, the more drinks you hand out, the more money you
You're
make.
awesome sauce.
Yeah, but you know what? I don't even care about that. It's like, literally, like, I'm the type of person you're putting up.
Treat everyone fairly equally.
Oh my goodness, I hope you have a really good time and
I just always
congratulations.
have a good time when she's there. Because she always
You do what you want to do.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
Don't make the big girl play.
Oh,
No.
A donkey
Tom's going. Dusty, you almost made me spit my beer out.
Why are you You're gonna be the first one over there looking. Let me see, is it big? Oh wow.
There we go. Now it's going.
Oh no.
He said he got a Donkey Kong dog. He got a dog.
I'm making up.
Oh wow.
I'm making up this shit as it comes.
I'm just funny like that. I can make up You know I am.
Oh my
I can
god.
make up
I think she needs to hear it like a person.
This is too much.
Happy fucking Halloween. Everybody have a fucking happy
I don't have no meat for you. I don't got nothing for you. Shit, you don't drink beer. That's all I got. All I got is 2 shots in a Heineken. That's all I got.
2 shots.
You're not
That's all I got is 2 shots in a Heineken.
Wait a
That's
minute,
it.
you're not recording this shit, are you?
Why?
It's
We
all
look
oh.
so good.
It's documented. It's documented.
You're lying.
Donkey Kong shit. She saying
Don't worry.
Don't do
No,
it.
don't worry.
do it.
I'm gonna. I'll edit. I'll edit it.
Don't edit that shit.
Don't edit that shit.
No, don't edit that shit.
No
I
editing.
would.
No editing.
She said don't edit it.
No editing. You're gonna have me over here.
Don't edit me.
Talking
Don't
like
edit
this.
me. I have no filter.
You just might not want to.
No, I don't have no.
Just don't allow me
So we ended up stopping the video there, but the party was a success. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh. If you guys like this video, please thumbs it up, give me a like, subscribe. Oh my gosh, I still have makeup on. I'm absolutely in love with that dog. I know, I'm probably sure you guys seen it too. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, he's so sweet too. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please thumbs it up on your way in or out. And I'll see you in the next one.